The Sahara Desert is vast and unforgiving. Its endless stretches of sand and extreme temperatures make it one of the harshest environments on Earth. Yet, hidden within its sun-drenched expanse lies incredible potential. The relentless sun that beats down on the Sahara could be the key to a sustainable future. The Sahara receives an immense amount of solar energy, more than almost any other place on Earth. This energy, if harnessed, could revolutionize how we power our world. In fact, it could power the entire world many times over. The sheer scale of solar energy available here is staggering. This realization has sparked a global interest in harnessing the Sahara's solar potential. Scientists and engineers from around the world are collaborating to make this vision a reality. Imagine a future where clean energy flows from the Sahara, powering cities and homes across continents. This is not just a dream, but a tangible possibility. This is the dream of many scientists and engineers. They envision a world where the Sahara's solar power helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. It is a vision of a future free from fossil fuels, where clean, renewable energy is abundant and accessible to all. The Sahara Desert could be the key to unlocking this sustainable future, transforming one of the harshest places on Earth into a beacon of hope and progress. Solar panels are the workhorses of solar energy. They are a common sight on rooftops, fields, and even in large solar farms. These panels are crucial for harnessing the sun's energy and converting it into electricity that we can use in our daily lives. They are made up of photovoltaic cells, which are the heart of the solar panel. These cells are designed to capture sunlight and initiate the process of energy conversion. These cells convert sunlight directly into electricity. The process is fascinating and involves several steps that start the moment sunlight hits the panel. When light hits the solar panel, it knocks electrons loose from atoms within the photovoltaic cells. This action creates a flow of electrons, which is essentially the flow of electricity. These electrons then flow through an electrical circuit, generating electricity that can be used to power homes, businesses, and even entire communities. Over the years, scientists have made incredible strides in solar panel technology. Research and development have led to more efficient and cost-effective solar panels. Today's solar panels are far more efficient than their predecessors. They are capable of converting a larger percentage of sunlight into usable electricity, making them more effective and reliable. They convert a larger percentage of sunlight into usable electricity, which means more power can be generated from the same amount of sunlight. This improvement is due to advancements in materials and design. Innovations in solar technology continue to push the boundaries, making solar energy a more viable and sustainable option for the future. For many years, cost was a major barrier to widespread solar adoption. Solar panels were expensive to produce and install. However, the economics of solar energy have changed dramatically. Over the past decade, the cost of solar panels has plummeted. This cost reduction is a game changer. It has made solar energy more accessible than ever before. Individuals, businesses, and governments are increasingly turning to solar as an affordable and sustainable energy source. Section 4. Solar farms powering the world. Around the world, vast solar farms are already harnessing the power of the sun. These farms consist of thousands, sometimes millions of solar panels. They generate enough electricity to power entire cities. China, India, and the United States are leading the way in solar farm development. Solar farms are a testament to the potential of renewable energy. They are helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Moreover, solar farms create jobs and boost local economies. Section 5. The importance of small-scale solar. While large-scale solar farms are essential, small-scale solar solutions are equally important. These smaller installations can be found on the rooftops of homes, schools, and businesses, making solar energy accessible to a wider range of people. Rooftop solar panels on homes and businesses are becoming increasingly common. They not only help reduce electricity bills, but also contribute to a cleaner environment by reducing carbon footprints. These installations empower individuals to generate their electricity. Homeowners can monitor their energy production and consumption, making them more aware of their energy usage habits. Small-scale solar contributes to a more decentralized and resilient energy grid. By having multiple small sources of energy, the grid becomes less vulnerable to large-scale outages. It reduces our dependence on centralized power plants. This shift not only enhances energy security but also promotes energy independence for communities. Furthermore, it empowers individuals to take control of their energy consumption. With the help of modern technology, people can track their solar energy production in real time using apps and smart devices. The future of solar energy is bright, from the vast expanse of the Sahara to the rooftops of our homes. As technology advances and costs decrease, small-scale solar will play an even more significant role in our transition to sustainable energy.